Everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that most people isn't talking about. You might be facing problems regarding brain fog, less brain clarity, and you started to forget about little things during mid conversations or in your day-to-day life. You wrote it down, but still you're not able to remember it. If that's happening to you constantly, you're not alone. My grandpa was facing the same issues, and with age, it's common to have it. So, after seeing the condition of my grandpa, I decided to give him Neuroprime. It's a natural daily supplement, so you can have it. It's totally risk free. The thing is, it has all natural ingredients, but it took me a lot of time to find the official web page because there are a lot of counterfeit websites that claims to provide you original Neuroprime, but they are completely knockoffs. So the official web page is in description. So if you want to know more about Neuroprime, go ahead and check it. They also have discounted price. Along with that, they provide money back guarantee. So for all of this, it's on official page. With that, it is 100% natural ingredients. The thing is, it's a liquid supplement. So all you have to do is to take one full supper and put it under your tongue every single morning. Yes, it works best in the morning. The ingredients, it definitely works better when you take it in the morning. The ingredients include ginkgo biloba, pine bark extract, moringa, neem, and many others. With a blend of these ingredients, you are able to focus on your day to day life. There, you'll see the results when there's no brain fog. Even your mental clarity will be boost. Your brain will think faster. You'll feel the confidence inside yourself. Also, it will turn on your creativity, so you can be more creative after having it. But there's a catch. My grandpa took it for at least 60 days to see that results. But I recommend you guys to give it a shot for 30 to 60 days to see the results. And if you don't see it, you can simply ask for the refund. There will be no question asked. With that, if you have any questions or any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section, and the link will be in the comment section as well. With that, thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.